Nane biom away Tezkia series of lectures. Yedi bremo every Saturday, otumfo Nyankopon ya adomwa. Ye ba be chire Tezkia no ni jina bre ewo ye komshani konkron sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Wanu ankasa na bra bomu no. Ye kase Tezkia. Anase na bra bomu ni sunna numu na ankasa na. Ye kase se nipa obe sore na wama weni abre. Na wobetete wo kra no sanye be ya wobenya ne papa eni suban papa abrabo papa eni anigye ewo wiase mu ha eni atemu da no ni dina bre ewo ye komhye konkon sallallahu alaihi wasallam ni sunna mu etisen. I mean the significance of tazkiya ewo the sunnah of our rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam sa ye topic no enani ye topic anapawi na kwai be so na ye komhye ni konkon sallallahu alaihi wasallam wo hwe tazkiya nipa sa obe sore na wa te se wa struggle ne wo ho se ne be ya obe tie wo kra no na wo yi fi biara afri mu sa dwumadie we a ye frɛ ne se tazkiya ni gina bre e wo sunna mo e ye die ni gina bi wo Quran mu de ye dika ahunu dada otumfo yanko ka te se wa nafsi wa ma sawaha
ونفس وما سواها فألهمها فجورها وتقواها قد أفلح من زكاها وقد خاب من دساها.
صدق الله العظيم. Nyankopon se kada aflaha enkunimdia enkunimdia wo wiase mu ha ene atemu woda ewo ho ede ma hwan manzaka wa obesori ye gina ho na wasori ti sese ne wo ko school na wo ko sua ade wo be hu ni abcd wo be hu alif ba na wo be hu fuka wo be hu hadith ni ade wa wo be ko hu course se wo be hu no kwanya wo be fa so na wate wo kra no na wo be fo so se wo be de wo be te wo kra no wo se kada aflaha manzaka enkunimdie ewo ho ede ma wo bi wo be sori ye gina wo so wo be te sa kra we ede ho na dwumadie no wakada haba na momon so no nkoguo enso ewo failure is therefore who the one who will indeed descend, who will indeed live just like that without any effort, the soul without any training. No be so be die na kra so sa one more dey say obetitime no obo se otumfo Nyankopon se sa onya kronwe de o nkoguo battle of Tabuk and tokobia ye komche ni konkon sallallahu alaihi wasallam santo kwanimu ana okase asuefo ni nara obi ampie ma obiara obi obetumi akonto bia ma obia abrantie biara no ma ne ntena sa kromo obi ayede ampie me enko santo kwano obi ampie na sabra no so no akoduru mbre bia na nkramofo no won so hwekesie mu enso hwekesie ne sisen akonkonsefo no sabra no na ebetumi akase wo ahonden ewo islamu akoye den ewo Madina inimse na bra ye komhye ne konkon sallallahu alaihi wasallam ewo Makka ko hadia sabre ne na akonkonsafo de isha bada oba Madina na akonkonsafo no doso na bedru sabre we pa no ana akonkonsafo no mo activity tama ye komhye ne konkon sallallahu alaihi wasallam eye na dwene se o pie from Makka akohia akafirifo ewo Tabuk no wo makon sabre na konkonsafo no wo mo wani mu eye den awo ye sunna mu ene wo ye komhye ni konkon sallallahu alaihi wasallam sunna mu se o ba be attack na o ma wo ma embeta wo bedi we che se wo be pie afiri ni kuro no ayede ehia we ye friend se be ma on tenase even at the time anan kremofo ye kitwa bi a omon doso the battle of Badr, the battle of Uhud ni na ye komhye ni konkon sallallahu alaihi wasallam ye den epie ye ekwa abonten ekwa ede ekohia wo because ifie ema anyway no mina ede enkwada ewo ho mama me prepare on but ye be hia mo ewo abonten eho no enti ye komhye ni konkon sallallahu alaihi wasallam enya ntiase say the Byzantine Empire wo ma boa asojafo ano more than 100,000 so omo ba be attack Islam no ma wie wo mo kora completely no omo ba and ye komhye ne konkon sallallahu alaihi wasallam ka tell hey asuafo moma yemboa boy ho ne yengo hia omo wo Tabuk na ye ka se Tabuka say ya be a obeti ase yenti no from Accra e de ko ba bi e friend say Sankansi 1,000 kilometers. It should even be more than that. From Accra to baby a friend say be a Boku and I would dana and I sankensi as you for nam or more nice or more ways so and then take a crack to go to that particular place. I am in a hard Tabrena. Ya komsheni kunku sallallahu alaihi wasallam enya ntie we a omo ba bekọ akọkọ santo kwana na aduru mpempensuo bi a na won kasa omo no ba ye dia date dabino so omo no ba ni na akwase mfanse Ghana ye koko aso say ye ba be de ye ba beti and the sabre na temperature no so very high. Ye temperature ni be 35, 38, 37, more than 50 degrees. What come Medina is here, it drew high level of it drew summer time. Ubehun say temperature ni there, high. Just a sabre. Now when you are high, the temperature was very high. And sabre so no koko anase omo debino na so I was on bed on beti. Na on 90 every Medina honum no and tabu kolum and sambra at least 3-4 months no bed on the cover on combra none no by ni na I say none no by ni na say what o kono ebia obebre unkwa number 1. 2 what o kono definitely we are there obesanya bano now no by ni na I say what o kono so awianum emu ede aye she the sabre we ena nkonkonsafo no munafikifo no munya honden e koral no omukọ kasa to convince the people die benti ni be pia ko hwe wiare se ni emu ehye na hwe se ni ye be kwa aba na no ba yin na be sai ni ade ade se ni be ye man kramofo no ye den empie masa abafo no pie na e komhye ne konkoso la se wo bia empie ye den empie into looking at all these challenges. Still, as you have one in a peer. Now, for monafiki for a beer, a dinner tree, our man call. Samson, I am Miss for any be. Your commission of Cocosa Lies and the sooner for our Musro Yame, a being so anti me, uncle. Now, Mummy and Timmy, see. Be uncle. Say, you may know who's in your table sit here. And your son to go away when the monafiki for a crack or would you require a castle? Eh, Mommy, whom choir and first day, you become sa or very my way, or was Santo. You come your commission of Concosa Lies and want to go with crying again. Young home. Do you need no two for young people to treasure no? Buy the sooner Musso buy a kiki would draw no wood and must straight. No, I had 2 rakas, no, I had no atlas. Now on Baba Chia, no beer bedding, ever chia. I can't be for an successful. When munafiki for no there, exercise no more ba. Obi abetia, no I can't excuse. I said, dear wenty na manti nyamba anti for me born chair was over. Yesterday I met on for 1 year and chow. No, I saw the call. No, where about the cannon throw. No, I saw the call. Where about the truck? Will be a trying to Biano. No, I did not saw. Near Commission is a lot of some. Maybe a young couple on the money better. Will be a baby, I don't know. Call now or very man, but could be buying. What was so basically answer. No, Jenny and say, come Ibn Malik. We, just a sabre, your commission concourse of lads and me time. Nipa will be to me in dear. Now be to me a threat. Then you are the scholar. Sabre will be a summer. Winning beauty. So to me a threat. When the ya will to me try against him, Eddie praise your commission concourse of Allah Adam. Will be try against him against your commission concourse of Allah and a cab, Malik and a threat and a reply. So he was a very significant person. Significant person, as your full moon. Went to me and call. Your commission concourse of Allah because here will be a war, so Yamiadmo, and Ben or the Meboamo, and Ben or the Mebo. Copim says no for Nina Wabo, or maybe also Yamiadmo, or Mutwasaka crap, Miss Mede, Medu Mechi. Copim so, Omoko 1 day, 2 days, or Munina. So your phone a call. Marantelina call 1 minute and uncle. Into genuinely, won't need any excuse, is sheer negligence. Just say, 1 minute near now, so bad that obey your commission to concourse of the Lord and sell them a tear there. I come to one any excuse. Into a drooling pencil or barbet here, commission to concourse of the Lord and about dinner one was it. We young coupon commission. Me can't throw any train, just any window, me echoes or mockers at the dead, no castle. Your bomb by saying coupon for bonnet and chowa. The baby or 2 for young obey a train 1 day. nti efade se me de meka no kore e de atrem to ko e ne komhye konkon sallallahu alaihi wasallam asmaile wo hwe nanima nani agi se wo hu ne wo hu ka obi so se ka na de no wamba wo se no wo yedi wo so komhye ni chese no kore nim de mini any excuse dise mo de mo bon ye de e che na mo mi nti asama e komhye konkon sallallahu alaihi wasallam e kan wasi oberima wei ana aka no kore wasi oberima wei ana aka no kore na ko otumfuo nyankopon ana be solve wasem no wono ana be ka ho asem me de mini ho asem e ka wankase omo amabani na atwantro wankase omo amabani na atwantro kulli ibadi yaqulu allati hiya ahsan katira me nko a se ombe kasa nko ade a omonka ne efe ne eye nko obi abetia na otwa no ntro kwa nke komhye ne konko sallallahu alaihi wasallam betia ka de we ntro no ye de otwa no wo mia na no obeka no kora ade a ede na wutie na wo adwene a obehu nie komhye ne konko sallallahu alaihi wasallam eka ana okata sunyefo nse we ene ye nyankopon akoa a waka no kora na mini bibia ka metwe se otumfo nyankopon e de na sambede ebeba nyaka bin malik nkoma Murara ibn Rab wono so the same thing ebe ma excuse sa say oni any excuse bia e share negligence Samson and Hilal ibn Umayyah wono so ebe ka the same thing the sankrofo we mi no kra bon the battle of Badr and all the Adam to kwana e komhye ne konko sallallahu alaihi wasallam e koyen omo ko bi we nkwa no mantime e den anko mu free honu a anche bia no tumfo e ye komhye ne konko sallallahu alaihi wasallam e ka tire sunyefo no so mo ko ka tire ka na mon katira Murara na mon katira Hilal say efiri enere koronoma asuafo bia Madina fo Muslim fo na mo anya obia no wo mo enni sekucha ho biara obia no wo mo enni sekucha ho biara wosesa asuafo mienu we no sa yawe ne ema wo mu wura da mu kura tuo mu wo mo mpia bonte kora bo bim anu bebia na ye komhye ne konko sallallahu alaihi wasallam esa announce say won chia mo kora bo na mo nji wo mo nchia no nti we chia we ya obi aniwa ya den ofi okoma select kwa na o chia we ya yemfi ofa ha obi aniwa wu radio mu ana wakoda ne se ase obi we ye we chese obi ahwe wani mu beto ne makoro obi aniwa opese obede obekasa no ase wako man foforo bi so komshe no konko sallallahu alaihi wasallam just to refine them and correct their mistake and to let other people not to copy from them. Say ne be ya wo maka no so no mo mu nsuasua that same thing influence mo nchen. Don't talk to them. Don't respond to their greetings. Man kasa no wo menye wo mo ntia ante bia after 40 days and o say suma ya bio say one fearful ne yire ene ne nkwada don't serve them. Mama serve wo. Nti dwumadie a fete se oba beye edi amani kunu no abra se mamo ye fa momo omo wo kire omo wiase ne bedane bibi kukuru akitwa bi prison bi a omo ntimi entena mu na won kra na nkasa no so e wo won mu nso no abedane bibi a omo ntimi they can't even manage their own soul within them omo ho akire omo opim se Ka'b bin Malik wono bra wonyini ye ko atri na ni be firaye na wode ba bi e friend Abdullah woni na chire sa within this period ne ho aho kire o mo ko mu wo kire wo se na busuafo korampo wo kwa obi na obi pono ema wo foro won ho no wagina soro wo atiem obi na obede obetie obi se obi akwhye na obi ni wo ede or answer why because you come to the konko sallallahu alaihi wasallam say don't talk to them. Don't talk. Dear Menti, Oman called the battle of what? Tabuk. Kopim said finally, after the 50th day, and not poly bako, bese 50, and sana otumfo nyankopon edisa ayawi ebreye. وعلى الثلاثة الذين خلفوا حتى
إذا ضاقت عليهم الأرض بما رحبت وضاقت عليهم أنفسهم وضاقت عليهم أنفسهم وظنوا أن لا ملجأ من الله إلا إليه ثم تاب عليهم ليتوبوا إن الله هو التواب الرحيم.
صدق الله العظيم. Service when o tumfo Nyankopon sidi ba fom edima ye komsheni kunkunu sallallahu alaihi wasallam na o tretre se sankrofo miensa we a omo kaachiri a won antimi antoa so andi wachi ankosa eko we no o tumfo Nyankopon ede won bone ayeden ache won o tumfo Nyankopon adane ahwe won na wodi won boni ayeden ache won ansa na ye komsheni kunkun sallallahu alaihi wasallam okin kan sa verse we na bebe anije a esi e wo Madina obi ani age na mo dwane ekoka bunim fie etiamo se enhira kamo congratulations na ka ba kwa wo yesujud da other way obi atese obi ani age o. That is excellence in terms of leadership and an ummah. And yahin for saying the bekakasa edebeyede edebeye juma and yemu saying and be from yede won boni ebe che won ewo anidie mu after we your commission konkon sallallahu alaihi wasallam eboa suafo na no obekasa e kire won kasa okasa e kire mu emumu ni enumu bi eno na ye be fa yasem na afri mu no ene say يقوم شنكم صلى الله عليه وسلم كاتشوم مرحبا بقوم قدوا الجهاد الأصغر وسي مما موكوابا ene emranti yekuo asojefo kuo bi a won akọ entokọ ene so wo mu kura ne ntokọ ewo mu ni nyina esua ewo mu kadul jihad al-asghar ene esua ewo mu ewo ntokọ ne mu nyina afina asuafo ne esu because woman nim ntoko o ye den omokoye enti se enade na obesie wo babi no wato bom ana obesie wo babi na wabo utuo me no won face to face na me sekan ena wo wani wo so sekan ena wo mani me ye list mistake ma so ena beto form me ye list mistake me saba akọ ena beto form ena me ye list mistake so a me nan me enu ni na ede ena eko form santoko we bi ena ye ka sa jihad we bi ena sunyafo ne ye den eko ye face to face sword to sword sekan to sekan face to face udi agora uti ena bede ena beto form santoko we bi no me ye den omokoye na ye komhye ne konko sallallahu alaihi wasallam we kura me so won toko no mu afi na asuafo ne ye den esu no mu bisa se man jihad al-akbar o kase we ne so na o kase wa baqiya alaihim al-jihad al-akbar nan ya ka wo mani mu ne enne jihad na esosini ni nara no die he enne jihad na ye den esosini ni nara no ene komhye ne konko sallallahu alaihi wasallam ka tse al-jihad an-nafs enno so enne jihada obekun atia wa ankasa woni nipa ekon de ene ye easy obedidi obi atam ene ye easy obetwa obi asum ene ye easy obekire obi ahon den na wa bra no from what preventing from jumadia pesa obeye is so easy, but to prevent your own soul from doing something that is bad is never an easy thing. It's never an easy thing. News nanka okwa akohwe ana wo bie wo phone no ana won so omebema wo news no so no o ma hyeda ma oba bi a ogina enchen a wan sha tade malam obeka se obebra wo kra no no force no se ma wanini ankohwe eno no wo se we any friend say the jihad. No matter how weak this hadith is, se ko base sa hadith we e weak edemaya our Tirmidhi hadith number 1621 ya komshine konkon sallallahu alaihi wasallam ekatre se al mujahidu ya kase obi a woye mujahid ankasa obi a okon awotumfo yankopon ekwan so a man jahada nafsahu wono ne obi a o struggle to obekon atia ne kran obekon atia ne kran na akatua papa ban ana wo ho ede masa nkrofo we kurambo akatua papa ban ene de wo ede ma we no otumfo Nyankopɔn de aka kyerɛ sɛ wɔn ɛna ɔmo nkonimdie mu saa na otumfo Nyankopɔn de kan yɛ aka kyerɛ saa so na otumfo Nyankopɔn aka kyerɛ wɔ Surah An-Nazi'at Quran chapter 79 verse 40 ɔka kyerɛ sɛ deɛ Hafiz wɔsɛ wa amma man khafa maqama
rabbihi wa naha an-nafsa 'anil hawa
wɔyɛ no adeɛ na bɛsi
fa innal jannata hiya al-ma'wa
wɔsɛ wɔhu wɔ bi a ɔbɛsuro ne gyina wɔbɛgyina otumfoɔ Nyankopɔn ani wɔhu wɔ bi a ɔbɛsuro atemmuo da a ɔbɛgyina ɔbɛdwene sɛ da bi wɔ hɔ a mɛgyina otumfoɔ Nyankopɔn anim wafa pen no you are just about to sign a project and you are very aware that for this particular project it could have costed Ghana just 1 billion, but you are signing 1.3 1.5 billion and you are very much aware the excess where it is going to. But then as you take the pen and your hand is shaking, you start thinking. And for those who fear on the day of judgment that he will come and stand in front of Allah. As for those who don't care about the one sitting in front of him for him to sign the check for, that whether it is Anas or it is somebody or he doesn't care, but he is worried about he's worried about the day that he will stand in front of Allah Azza wa Jal. And so what's Rosa Jumadi where Obabe? One of the contract one chain, one of your paying, and what should I be Wuraha? What just a name what she said, what now when him crowd Pejan and nine, and name when you Abu Bosono, who are confused? Ah, what sorry and Kaupesa Okwako yet, Sir Jumadino. Yamistra Yusuf alayhi salam, enya ye. Abaya ni temptation yinano, and would Gina or Chino. Ah, one wuramuno, ubet me a sal yamisuruno. Ubet me a amma man khafa maqama rabbi. Ubet me a genesa that could be Medina or Tumfoya Kupon nim. When I will have no excuse, ubet me a son, no Tumfoya Kupon at Wasso Ekatre said. See, if you have this particular filter, you have this particular scheme in your mind, you have this particular perception in your mind that Kiram and Katibin, there are right scribed in front, on your left and right, who are looking at you and then writing whatever you are doing. If you have this perception and you know that definitely there will be a day, you know that there will be a day that you will stand in front of Allah. And for this particular standing in front of Allah Azza wa Jal, where you can no longer tell lies again, if you fear this one, and it is not Anas that you fear this one, it is not the constitution of Ghana that you fear this one, and it is not the journalist that you fear Allah, then it's no way. The camera, there will not be need for the camera. There will not be need for any digital taqwa. You will have the real taqwa of Allah Azza wa Jal. Obeying and you fear Allah, and you won't sign for that one. You won't stretch your hand to touch that particular lady. You won't open your mouth to say those particular words, to backbite about somebody. You will not talk ill of somebody. You won't take up your hand to slap your wife. You will never do that one, because you know that you know that on the day of judgment, there will be a day that you stand in front of Allah Azza wa Jal. Beyond this one too, you continue to say, وَنَحَا النَّفْسَ. And then you also struggle to prevent the soul. وَنَحَا النَّفْسَ عَنِ الْهَوَى. You prevent the soul from all kinds of indecency, from all kinds of selfishness of your desire, your carnal desire. You prevent the soul from that particular one. Then Allah Azza wa Jalla said, فَإِنَّ الْجَنَّةَ هِيَ الْمَأْوَى. And yet, then the heaven will be your final abode. So it means that act of preventing the soul from all kinds of indecency, the act of preventing that particular soul from obeying our own personal and carnal desires, is an act that will land us in heaven. Tazkiyah is an act that will land us in what? Heaven. Say, yebe sori ye jina, ni yebe kuatia ye kra, na yebe bono ho ban, na yemfa ye ho nkoka obi sister, yemfa ye ho nkoka obi maame, yemfa ye ho nkoka obi yire, na be da ne yankwa yebe bo ye ho ban ni ye tie ye kra ne pe, nke be pese be no ensa no, nke be pese e ho be ka oba no, e be pese be twa loto no, e be pese e be ye dwumadi a emfata, ni ebe tia kra ne pe ne so. Na ye jai sa dwumadie no yenka se obejai se police ni ejina ho nti yenka se obejai se journalist ewo ho nti yenka se obejai se anas camera esi wusu enti yenka se obejai se obesuro se we no mu enti because ekoba se sankrofo no sa di kudie we eni ho a let us say o ba wo jai se nyankopon enti a then he is omnipotent, omnipresent. Bebia otumfo nyankopon ewo ho. Bebia ni tumi ni wo. Na nipa duduo bebrebe eni enim wo mo Ghana ha na gidie no na wo ho. Oni dwumadie bone na mmom wafiri a wakọ aburukyire a obie eni ho. Ne maame ni ho, ne madam eni ho, ne yankofo eni ho. Obie eni ho na ensanom emma pa dwumadie emfata yina na wakọ de na wakọ wura mu. But if you have the fear of Allah, say ya misrun wo na onim say nyankopon ti na wo ye wa nahan nafsa anil hawa. Now best struggle say ube bo krano, ube prevent krano from doing all these things, then definitely nyankopon say wa chedie aye heaven. Aye heaven. Oton fo nyankopon say ka kire. Say yantimi ansi e kra no ansi e kra am prevent no se obema yakoto dwumadie boni mu na ya mbra no na wo be pushi e me yakoto dwumadie boni mu ya ntimi antiti kra no amma ne ntiti ye papa na ne be command e biara no ye be wura mu enko ade a ene na ya pedie no ye dina manada ne ye nyankopon. Ya pedian di Surah Al-Jasiyah, Quran chapter 45, verse 23. Otumfo yankopon ekatre ho. O se afara'aita man ittakhadha ilahahu hawa.
Afara'aita man ittakhadha ilahahu hawahu wa adallahu Allahu ala ilm wa khatama ala sam'ihi wa qalbihi وجعل على بصره غشاوة فمن يهديه من بعد الله أفلا تذكرون
monwene enhunu ohun obi a wono de wode na pedie adane ni nyankopon se bi metimi ya control na one family otumfo nyankopon eka na anye adwuma a na wapedie betumi control na ni otumfo nyankopon abra no wodi eye adwuma na ni otumfo nyankopon kasa yo no onfa enyo adwuma enko ade a ene wodi wan kasa kra no adane onyankopon wodi wapedie no adane onyankopon emprepi ene wonyankopon ahoduo ewo yemu nyankopon ahoduo ewo yemu a yesom wo mo tese ye di won emra a wo de be maye ene be ye adwuma Allahu Akbar na yeso ye te ho a ye kase ye be football just ye be football na kwere akowie ye wie kura na sala na ide atwemu afi ne ye kokika bom why because of football nti afara aita man ittakhadha ilahahu hawa onu wo bi a wadi na kuma apedie adane te se ni nyankopon na kuma apedie na ti no obedi na eno ene esesa ni suban wonim se ni Qur'an akanie wonim se ni hadith akanie nso ontimi emfa yi adwuma na kuma pedie na ana odi eye adwuma sabre na kuma pedie na abedane ni yankopon na nimdie na ewo nimdie na wo ni ni na akorafo na emfa so amba so amfa amba na fa adallahu Allahu ala ilm na otumfo yankopon ebejai no obeyira ewo ni nimdie no mu obeyira ewo ni nimdie no mu nti krantitiye From the Quran chapter 2, verse 129. From the Quran chapter 91, Surah Al-Shams, verse 7 to 10. From the Quran chapter 45, verse 23, Surah Al-Jasiyah. And from the Quran, Surah 79, verse 10 onward. Just different verses in the Quran. Otum for Yankopon Ambe Yehunu say, Kra entity, Eya Adikudie be a new quine set and Krebofo and for Amalan for Yamfa Ebediagro, a teacher for Mayamfa e Niagro, yet I didn't any media. Kra no so Samsung yetiti na any suban papa any dwumadi de e papa ene esom ene de de yetiti kra no eni kwan se de beden de bedi agoro ye fie ye makaranta mu ye schools mu awa insti babia ye wo biara no ye mommode se ye somo no ebeyan sunsun so e wo ye kra no so ebetimi ya control ye se ne ye gina salamu na ye phone erenge ye ntimi ntene ye nsa emfa phone answer ye be bra ye kra no wana nafsa anila ye be bra ye kra ne etia so no ye gina otumfo Nyankopon ni ma ye nyesa. The same thing, we extend that one to all our other deeds. You better want to say you do my dear akani inarano. You better to us so near this sa wena ye won was salam ye yan was salam sa one dina ye was salam ye did tia crown so ne be brano from those jumadie biara enye no mu otumfo Nyankopon eya adoma. From next week onwards, the subject matter of tazkiyah. Ye kase tazkiyah e wo Quran mu a ahuduo baako sen ene wo mu anase e kase kra ntitiye e wo Quran mu a ahuduo baako sen wan ne timitete kra e mane yeye eno ne ba behwe no nesu ye firi won so a ansa na ye behwe kra na agina bre no la tarkabun tabakan an tabak ye akwantuo a yutu from one state to the, just like Adrian Milton Erickson and Eric Erickson and Jean Piaget no wo aye research actually kwanya your mind and I say ya dwene enyini from one state to another state the same way so your kwanya ya kra no say enyini from one state to the other state. Now each state dey na wo say ye aduane be na wo say ye de ma kra no Samsung and Nippon so even one person one no engineer is from state to state and each state has its own special food. When you na what and then there are down yes I bread now be man bankuma na di enyiye or na duane a wodi was abren. When you so nsie area or na duane a wodi wonya 1 year 2 years area or na duane a wodi Samsung na wonya from 3, 4, 5, sa kopim 40 when a duane a wede odi from 40 onwards so when a duane a wede odi the take for more wasema o kan say was nipa desani from 0 up to 40 from 0 up to 40 utimi we enam emwa emaniye but after 40 near emwa ewe no and the fatter say obede emwa omowe enhaban ope ahonden kwa dia ne se wona me be ye ene wo so ye de wisa haban ni bi enwe enam ni bi chese nipa de se ni ankasa no ne honam no from one state to another state e won nuane agodo wo se ye de man no Samson and nipa de se ni ya dwene no so no from one state to one state e won nimdi agodo ye de man no se ne be ya adwene ni be nyini kama Samson and wonam so Samson and nipa so ye kra ene ye kuma no so from one stage to another stage you will nuane agodo ye de man some to waso na mutie alpha 104.9 na mutie Tazkiyah program way every Saturday from 5:30 to 6:30 ye the sans hwam way from the Quran and the Sunnah ebebremo kakra kopim se bebia otumfo Nyankopon because ye nyina ene beden ye begina kakra ya ka otumfo Nyankopon onfa ye boni encheye enfomso ye nyina otumfo Nyankopon onfa ye boni eyeden encheye na kakra ya ka otumfo Nyankopon amane yensunsu so papa ewo ye yankasa ye kasa no eno ho ne wo awutie ye so otumfo Nyankopon amane yensunsu so papa na entimi endware na nsisa ye ni ye suban enfa emaye na wo bia obehwe ye suban biara no obehu ni Islam ewo ye suban mo